Hi! Today I wanted to talk a little bit about one of the techniques we use here at Revive to work on some chronic soft tissue injuries, and that is Graston. So what Graston is a soft tissue technique where we use one of our tools. We have many different shapes and sizes for treating different areas. And then the doctor or the massage therapist will use the tool and scrape against your skin. This helps to break up any fascial adhesions, which is the connective tissue between muscle layers. This creates more motion in between the muscles and can help break up any scar tissue and other things that are limiting people's motion. If you think this might be beneficial for you, let us know next time you're here.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.